A traditional life insurance policy without a medical exam is like a car without an engine. It may look good from the outside, but it won't take you very far. Now you might be wondering, why is that? Well, medical exams play a crucial role in the life insurance process. Think of them as a litmus test, a way for insurers to gauge the risk associated with the policy applicant. It's like a sneak peek into your health history, your habits, and your lifestyle, which can influence the cost of your policy. Why, you ask? Because insurance companies base their premium rates on risk. If you have a clean bill of health, you're less of a risk, so your premiums are lower. On the other hand, if you have health issues, you might be considered a higher risk, which could lead to higher premiums. In essence, the medical exam is more than just a checkup. It's a tool that ensures fairness and transparency in the world of life insurance. So remember, in the world of life insurance, a medical exam is not just a necessity, it's an essential part of the process that ensures fairness and transparency. You might be wondering, is a medical exam always necessary for life insurance? Now, the requirement for a medical exam when applying for life insurance is not always set in stone. It largely depends on a variety of factors such as the type of policy you're applying for, your age, and the amount of coverage you want. Firstly, let's talk about the type of policy. Life insurance policies, such as traditional term life and traditional whole life insurance, often require a medical exam. This is because these policies provide coverage for a significant amount of money, often in the hundreds of thousands or even millions. Insurers use the results of the medical exam to assess the risk they're taking on by insuring you. If you're in good health, you're less likely to pass away during the term of the policy, making you a lower risk to insure. Next, your age plays a crucial role. Younger applicants are often able to secure life insurance without a medical exam. This is because younger individuals are typically healthier and less likely to pass away suddenly. However, as you age, the risk of health complications increases. Therefore, most insurers will require a medical exam for applicants over a certain age, usually around 50. Lastly, the amount of coverage you want will also influence whether or not a medical exam is necessary. If you're seeking a policy with a high payout, insurers will likely require a medical exam to assess the risk. On the flip side, if you're seeking a smaller policy, such as a final expense or burial insurance policy, you may be able to bypass the medical exam altogether. Remember, insurance companies use medical exams to determine your overall health and calculate your premium rates. If you're in great health, a medical exam can actually work in your favor, potentially securing you lower premiums. So it's clear that the requirement of a medical exam in life insurance isn't a one-size-fits-all rule, but rather a flexible standard that varies based on a number of factors. Just like there are different types of cars, there are different types of life insurance policies. And not all of them require a medical exam. Let's look at term life insurance. This type of policy provides coverage for a specific period, or term. It's like renting a house. You only have coverage for as long as you're paying the rent. For traditional term life insurance, the medical exam is typically used to determine the risk level of insuring you. The healthier you are, the lower the risk, and the lower your premium will be. Another type of policy that generally requires a medical exam is traditional whole life insurance. Unlike term life insurance, whole life insurance provides coverage for your entire life, as long as the premiums are paid. It's like buying a house. It's always there as long as you keep up with the payments. In addition to providing a death benefit, whole life insurance also includes a cash value component that grows over time. Because of the lifelong coverage and cash value feature, insurers use a medical exam to assess your health and calculate the premium rates accordingly. Universal life insurance, a type of permanent insurance with an investment savings element and low premiums like term life insurance, often requires a medical exam as well. The exam helps insurers determine the cost of the policy based on your health and life expectancy. Why do these policies require a medical exam, you may ask? Well, once again, life insurance is all about risk management. Insurance companies use the information from the medical exam to assess your health status, your life expectancy, and the risk they undertake in insuring you. The higher the risk, the higher the premium. So, if you're considering getting a traditional term, whole, or universal life insurance policy, prepare to roll up your sleeves for a medical exam. It's a crucial step in the process that can significantly affect your premium rates. Remember, these types of life insurance policies use medical exams as a tool to gauge your health status and determine your premium rates. Now you might be thinking, if medical exams are so important, why do some policies not require one? Well, there's a good reason for that. Certain life insurance policies, like those offering lower coverage amounts, often don't necessitate a medical exam. The risk to the insurance company is relatively lower with these smaller policies, so they're willing to forego the exam in favor of a quicker sign-up process. Then we have simplified issue policies. These are a type of no-exam life insurance where the applicant answers a few health-related questions. No needles, no medical tests. However, depending on the policy, the insurer may check your medical records. Based on this information, the insurer decides if you're eligible for coverage. It's a streamlined process, making it a popular choice for many. Another type of policy that doesn't require a medical exam is the guaranteed issue policy. As the name suggests, coverage is essentially guaranteed, regardless of your health condition. For those with serious health concerns, this policy can be a ray of hope. However, it's worth noting that these policies often come with higher premiums due to the increased risk for the insurer. In essence, these no-exam policies offer convenience, speed, and accessibility. They cater to individuals who need coverage quickly, those with health concerns, or those who simply wish to avoid the hassle of a medical exam. So, while a medical exam is a vital part of many life insurance policies, there are also options available for those who prefer a quicker, simpler process. Let's take a moment to revisit what we've learned today. We've uncovered the significance of medical exams in life insurance and dove into when these exams are necessary. We explored the types of policies that require an exam and the reasons why some do not. It's all about understanding your options and choosing what's best for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on life insurance. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you.